Hello friends. When it comes to car insurance, how many times when your renewals come up, your current insurance provider gives you a bomb of a quote which is 40 to 50% higher than your previous year's quote? Has this happened to you? What do you do in that instance? How do you bring down the quote? I will tell you what all I did and what worked for me and how I got my quote price down. I have my car insurance renewal coming up, and my existing insurance provider, RACV, sent me a renewal quote which was 43% higher than last year's renewal quote. I was really shocked. The only thing which had changed since my previous renewal is the postcode which I live in. Even though we moved only half a kilometer from where we lived last year, but still the change in postcode sometimes makes a huge difference. Watch till the end of the video for a sweet little trick to bring down your insurance premium much further. So, when you're getting a quote for your car insurance, a lot of things come into the picture. Like how many claims were made in your postcode, or how many claims were made by the same sex as you and in the same age bracket as you. How many people driving the same car as you have made the claim. These are just a few I can list here. Since my quote increased by 43%, clearly people in my age bracket and my sex and driving the same car as me have not done a great job last year. Just kidding. But that could be a huge reason as well. I did make a claim a couple of months back, but it wasn't my fault, and the person at fault had insurance, and hence I didn't have to pay an excess. So that really shouldn't impact my premium. So when I got a renewal premium of $1,251.47 from RACV compared to $870 last year, just to be sure that the reason for the 43% increase in my premium is not because of my address change, I used my old address to get a quote from RACV. And guess what? The quote came to $1,170, which was $81 less, but still not a huge difference. To check if my claim had made any difference, I answered the question where you mentioned that in the past 3 years, whether you had a claim. I put the answer as no, and that didn't make any difference in the premium. So the two major possibilities of the premium increase were ruled out. So now I was determined to get my quote lowered, or I'm ready to change the insurance provider. In the process, I went ahead and got quotes from 11 different insurance providers, and this is what I found out. The different providers I got a quote from were my existing provider, RACV, then UE, Amy, Budget Direct, Carpish, Woolworths, Coles, Virgin, GIO, Huddle, and Com Insurance. The quote amounts were RACV was $1,251, UE $1,148, Amy was $997, Budget Direct was $1,120, Carpish was $1,024, Woolworths was $1,336, Coles was $1,215, Virgin was $1,127, GIO was $1,394, Huddle was $1,272, and Com Insurance was $1,603. So clearly, Amy was the cheapest of the entire list. But I wanted to give RACV another chance because I've been with them for the past 2 years. And I like their rewards program where I get 4% back when I purchase a Woolworths e-gift card. And also I get 5% cash back when I purchase a Dan Murphy's gift card. This saves me around $250 per year. But even with the $250 saving, the RACV quote was expensive than the Amy quote. So I called RACV and checked with them why my quote is higher this year. They mentioned reasons like address change, more claims made in the area, or in general, people making more claims. But when I mentioned that I got a cheaper quote from another provider, the agent who I spoke to was able to check a few things and he was able to bring down the quote more than $100. So the new quote was $1,145. The same happened with UE as well. The UE agent was able to bring down the quote by $180 by just telling them that you have a cheaper quote. I was still not happy with the $1,145 quote as I had budgeted only $900 in my annual budget for the car insurance. So I was looking for an alternative and cheaper way to get the benefits which I received from an RACV policy. The first benefit from the policy is 20% discount when you stay in their RACV resorts. In the past 2 years of being an RACV car insurance customer, I had never used this benefit. So, me using this benefit in the future is highly unlikely. The other benefit which I get is the 4% cashback when I buy a Woolworths e-gift card. That's a benefit which I regularly use. So, I was on the hunt to find out how else can I get this. That's when I found out about the entertainment app. In this app, you can buy the same Wish gift cards, which gives an instant cashback of 3 to 4%. Plus, this app gives loads of other benefits like discounts in restaurants, when you buy ice creams, or from the florists. The price for using this app for one city is $69.99. But the best part is I was able to find another deal for this app by using a partner like KFC. You can bring down the price of this app for 1 year by $15 for single city and by $20 for multi city. So the price for a single city was now down to $55. So by buying the entertainment app for $55 and buying the Amy policy for $997, which is a total of $1,052, it's still almost $100 cheaper than my RACV policy. But hold on, this is not the end of it. I was talking about a trick in the beginning of the video. So, what did I do? When I was trying to buy the policy, I was messing about with the start date of the policy. And I found that if I put the start date 15 days before the actual start date of my policy, I was able to bring down the quote by $63. So I played around with the start dates and I found out up until 7 days before the actual start date of my policy, the policy was still cheaper by $63. That's when I did some mental calculations and I found that if I buy the policy 7 days before, I would be still saving a lot of money. So I went for a start date 7 days from my actual start date and the premium came down to $933. Along with the $55 for the entertainment app, the total was now $988, which is more than $260 cheaper than my initial quote from RACV. Not bad for a few hours of work, right? So, next time you're looking to renew your car insurance, always shop around. You will definitely get a better deal. If you're too lazy to shop around, at least call your insurance provider and just tell them that you have a cheaper quote from someone else. They will definitely reduce your renewal premium and bring it down by at least $100. So, what are your thoughts on my techniques? Do you think it will work for you? Have you used any such techniques? Let me know in the comments. It would be a big encouragement for me if you like the video. For more videos on finance, sports, reviews of movies, series, books, and products, please subscribe to the channel. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, ciao.